For over 40 years, TURCK has been a provider of custom solutions that move at the speed of the application. To enhance our position as a solution provider, TURCK is proud to say we can now provide complete electrical panels.
TEPS stands for TURCK Engineered Packaged Systems. We are experts of our own products.
TEPS is not your typical panel shop. We have approximately 4,000 square feet of manufacturing, as well as a 900 square foot separate building for making and storing crates and lumber. This allows us to make panels for the pharmaceutical industry and other clean type environments, as sawdust is not present in the manufacturing building.
We're also a complete UL panel shop. We're certified in UL 508A, 1203, and 690A. So therefore, we can provide a standard UL panel up to an intrinsic safe and hazardous location product.
TEPS manufactures panels populated with TURCK product, as well as those from other manufacturers.
Within TEPS, we can do a total panel build. We can take drawings provided by customers and we can turn that into a packaged solution, or we can take concepts from a customer and develop that into a detailed design and then build a total package solution from that. Or we can help the customer come up with the concept design, the total detailed design, and come up with the complete package solutions.
These designs have already been utilized by industries from the pharmaceutical, oil and gas, on and offshore, food and beverage, solar, and shipbuilding.
Customer is likely to choose TEPS because our design team has a lot of experience designing control systems and control panels. That, with our vast experience in applying TURCK products in an engineered packaged system solution, is going to be far superior from that of what you would get from another panel shop.